Hello and welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. And at last I just bought the motovlogging setup. All the essential things that are needed to do the motovlogging I bought from online. So I'll show you the things. So this is the chin mount strap from Telesin. I bought it from Amazon. It's around 800 or 900 rupees. So this helps to do the mounts in the helmet without any tape or without any M-seal kind of stuffs. So these things are it's pretty good. So the next thing is the mic adapter from Hero GoPro. It will suitable for Hero Black, Hero 7 Black, Hero 6 Black, Hero 5. So the next thing is the BOA microphone. This is BY-M1 model. This is a lavalier microphone. This will help to talk whenever I am riding. Inside, it will fit inside the helmet. So this is another very useful stuffs. And lastly, the Ulanzi case for Hero GoPro. So I'll show you this things. So this is the case, and here the GoPro mic adapter will go in under the case, and it's a nice vlogging setup. So let's see, I'll install everything on my helmet and just get back to you. So guys, this is how my helmet is looking after doing all the attachments, all the setup I've done. And I'm using Hero GoPro 7 Black Edition. This is the mic adapter cable, this is the microphone cable, and I've kept the microphone inside my helmet's cheek pads so that all the wind noise is cancelled. And what I have to do is, now I have to test it on the bike. Let's see how the sound comes. And one more thing, I'll put all the links of the product that I'm using on my description box. You can check it out, or when you can buy that, you can buy from there also. So it's time to test how the whole setup performs. So see you on the bike guys. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm back on my motorcycle, and you guys listening the sound from my BOA mic, and I've completed my motovlogging setup inside my helmet. So I hope the sound is coming good. The sound is coming in a crisp way. So थोड़ा बहुत बात करते हैं. So I bought this BOA mic from Amazon. It cost me around 1200 rupees, and the Ulanzi case I also bought it from Amazon. It cost me around 1000 rupees, and the whole setup, the Ulanzi case, the BOA mic, the GoPro adapter, the total cost of the motovlogging setup is around 7000 or 7500 rupees. So the mic adapter of GoPro is a bit costlier, but it's okay. Without that you can't record any voice in your action camera. So let's speed up and just test how the mic is performing. I'm currently in 60 now. 60, I'm in 70. So the main problem is we can't do long rides in this situation because of COVID-19. We can't do any long rides, we can't go to such places, any spots or something like that. You can do short rides like 100 or 150 kilometer and back on that same day, but you can't go on a particular spot like earlier because the local people, they are not allowing the travelers or outside visitors to go to that place or to explore. So it is bit problem, but the main thing is now to stay safe. राइड्स तो बाद में भी हो जाएगा, उसमें कोई उतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बट द सिचुएशन ऑफ India is getting worse day by day. So we all have to stay safe. We have to take safety precautions, and rides obviously you can do when you are safe. You can do the rides. I'm riding in the city, so will not speed up much, but you guys can understand that how the mic is performing in these speeds also, because I will be riding around 60, 70 or 80 and it's totally okay. I don't know when this situation will get back to normal, when we can ride like the earlier days. Maybe 2021, next year. This year we cannot ride, that's for sure. So please guys, stay safe. You have to take all the precautions, because not only you, your family members are also dependent on this. The virus can affect anybody, anywhere, and the main problem is that we can't see the virus, we can't feel also. That's the main problem. So wherever you are going, you have to be more careful, you have to be more secure, and you have to take precautions. Wash your hands frequently with a hand sanitizer whenever you are outside or riding bikes and all. So आते हैं अभी मोटो व्लॉगिंग पर, ये जो सेटअप मैंने किया. So I changed many times. The mic is catching so much of wind noise, so that I cannot hear my voice also. So I have to change the mic position on a different ways, and have to check. I have to check this time the sound is coming good or not. If it's coming bad, then I have to change the mic position again. I hope this time it works, but not sure. So I'm riding in 60 now. Currently I'm 70. So I think this test is enough for you guys to understand whether the Boya mic is performing well or not. So guys, I'll end this vlog right here. Will not roam much because I don't want to roam unnecessarily in the roads. So guys, I'm ending the vlog right here. You guys let me know in the comment box that how the sound is coming, so that I can understand. So stay safe guys, stay home. If it's too important, if it's in work basis, you have to go outside, but don't go outside unnecessarily. So that's it guys, I'm ending the vlog right here. Stay safe and we will ride soon. Thank you guys.